is YouTube TV for business. Not officially, as it's designed for personal use. YouTube TV's terms of service prohibit commercial or public use of the platform. It's intended for individual or household viewing, with a limit of 6 simultaneous streams per account. This makes it unsuitable for businesses like bars, restaurants, or offices that want to stream live TV publicly. Using YouTube TV in a commercial setting without proper licensing could violate their policies and lead to account suspension. For businesses, there are specialized services like DirecTV for Business or Spectrum TV for Business, which offer commercial-grade packages and licenses for public viewing. These services are tailored to meet the needs of businesses and ensure compliance with legal requirements. If you're a business owner looking to stream live TV, explore commercial options instead of residential services like YouTube TV. Always check the provider's policies to avoid potential issues. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.